Hello, good evening. Tuloy po natin ang ating pag-aaral sa indefinite integral. May problem dito, susolve natin. This is just a review, no? Chill lang tayo, chill. Welcome back to JB Tigianon, your engineering and chemistry tutorial. So, hindi pa po nag-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. And kung nagustuhan nyo, tingin nyo nakakatulong, share, like and share the video po para tumami yung ating mga kamag-aaral. So ito po yung tanong. So at every point of a certain curve, may certain curve dito na y double prime is equal to x squared minus 1. Find the equation of the curve if it passes through the point 1, 1, 1, no? Pag sinabing 1, 1, this is x, this is y, no? Or ito yung x, ito yung y. Yun lang ibig sabihin itong notation na yan. So, and is there tangent to the line x plus 12y equals 13. So may line pa. Okay, may bukod sa meron ka ng curve, mayroon pang line. So parang kumbaga kung i-drawing mo to, no? Example lang to, hindi naman exact. Okay. Kung baga mayroon kang Cartesian coordinate system ang tawag dyan, ano? Mayroon kang curve na paganyan, mayroon pang line na gumaganyan, parang ganon. So just to get the idea of what he's saying, no? Parang ganon yung ano, but this is not exact. Yung dinrawing ko is not exact. That is not our concern. Pinakita ko lang kung ano yung ibig niyang sabihin, no, dito. So, ang gagawin natin dito, siyempre, double ano to parang kumbaga double second differential, kumbaga, no? Ano yan, dy dx square is equal to d, okay, over dx, then y prime is equal to x square minus 1. So kung integral natin to, change lang ng color para may striking, no, difference makita ng mata natin. Dx y prime dx, okay, is equal to the integral of x, okay, quantity x square minus 1 dx. At hindi lang yan, mayroon din tayong we go to the next slide. Mayroon din tayong y prime is equal to x okay, sinolve na natin to. Susolve na natin. Your y prime will be x3 minus x plus c ka na, c1. So constant 1 ibig sabihin nun. Ngayon at 1, 1, may slope ka. Yung slope mo, y prime, of the curves equals the slope of negative, yung slope ng curve mo equal sa slope ng line. So therefore, yung y prime mo mathematically is equal to 1/2 negative 1/12, sorry. Nang sa gayon, equate mo yan dito sa equation na to. Then, okay, negative 1/12 is equal to 1/3 minus 1. Sinubstitute na natin yung value plus C1 para mahanap natin yung C1. Okay, so therefore your C1 will be, let's go to the next slide. Your C1 will be equal to 7/12. Okay, therefore, or so, your y prime is equal to, of course, dy dx yan is equal to 1/3 x to the third power minus x plus 7/12. Nilagay lang natin yung constant na C1 dyan sa equation. Diba yun yung equation natin kanina? Okay, so integrate natin. We will integrate this. Magbabago lang ako ng kulay. So integrate natin. Integrate the integral of dy is equal to integral ng 1/3 x to the third power minus x plus 7/12 close quantity dx. Okay, so or, pwede natin sabihin or, lagay natin dito, or pwedeng ano siya, no? Y is equal to 1/12 x to the fourth minus 1, solution na ito, integral square plus 7/12 x plus C2 ka na ngayon. Nag-C2 ka na. Okay, nag-C2 ka na. Nag-C2. Ngayon, at 1 plus 1, equate natin uli yan para makuha natin yung C2. Okay, so i-apply natin dyan. Yung y is equal to 1, yung x equals to 1, then we will get C2. Okay, so yung y mo, that will be equal to 1 minus 1/12, diba? Times x. Ang x mo rito is ano is is 1 to the 4th power. So parang 1 to the 4th power minus 1 half 1 to the 2nd power, then 7 over 12 times 1 plus C2. To make the story short, C2 is equal to 5 over 6. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. I want to change the color here. Ang ating required equation therefore is equal to y, or y is equal to 112 x to the 4th power minus 1 half x to the 2nd power plus 7 over 12x plus 5 over 6. Yan yung ating constant number 2. So, ito po yung pinapahanap sa atin na equation. So, ito po yung sagot. Okay, so yan lang po. Please subscribe to those who have not yet subscribed. And thank you very much for your time. Bye for now.